Memory Bound friends. Welcome back for Tuesday Technique, and we are on location in my kitchen tonight because my friend Cindy here wanted to make some homemade wrapping paper to wrap for her presents for Girls Night Out. She belongs to the Girls Night Out group at Memory Bound. To share with you this present that we wrapped in our homemade paper. Isn't that pretty? What we used was 2 distress oxides, 1 black soot, and 1 hickory smoke. Tim Holtz set of swirly snowflake stamp set, and this has 12 snowflakes in it. So you get a lot of choices. And then you just need some acrylic blocks. We chose 3 stamps that we liked. We tried to get 2 larger ones and 1 little one. And you're ready to go. Start with the largest and the most dominant color. So we're going to start with black soot with this large snowflake die. And Cindy's going to demonstrate how easy this is. Take it away, Cindy. She's just going to get some ink on her stamp, and we're just going to randomly put them all over this paper. Make sure that she has equal pressure on all the points of the snowflake so we don't end up with some faded ones. This is so easy your children could help you. We pretty much have randomly covered with the black large snowflakes, and we have added some wine. That always makes it more fun. Doesn't the red wine look nice with this wrapping paper? We're going to move on to the hickory smoke, and we're going to use another snowflake, just a different, about the same size, but a different style. Just randomly place them throughout there, but not perfectly in between all the spaces. Sometimes she's a little closer to the black, and she's going to fill in some areas with the hickory smoke. Notice how she's turning it around, because we found that if you tried to do it too far away, you kind of smudge the snowflakes. Now filled in with about the same size snowflake, only in the hickory smoke. We're going to add a little smaller snowflake, about this size, and we're going to do that in hickory smoke also. Not a lot of them, but kind of filling in some blank areas. Cindy is now finishing up our 3rd step, which are the small hickory smoke gray. It adds just a little bit of variety, so they're not all the same size. And so there you have it. It's ready to use as your wrapping paper. These colors look really nice with a red ribbon, but we thought you could use almost any color scheme. We decided that you could do the black and gray on crafts. So we're just going to show you real quick. Boy, that's pretty. I'm not even sure I would even use the gray. I think I might just use all black. That's really pretty. Thanks for stopping by, and go to your nearest store, pick up a roll of white paper, and have fun designing your own wrapping paper. Thanks. Bye-bye.